Best gaming laptops around $1,000. I did the research so you don't have to. These are my picks. 1. The Asus TUF Gaming, with a Ryzen 7, 16GB RAM, a GPU RTX 4050, and 144Hz display, is the best balance of price plus performance. 2. The Acer Nitro 5, with a Ryzen 5, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD drive, a GPU RTX 5050, and 180Hz display, is the best value. 3. The Lenovo LOQ, with a Intel Core i7 13650, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD drive, a GPU RTX 4050, and 144Hz display, is the best new release option. 4. The HP Victus, with a Intel Core i5 13420H, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD drive, a GPU RTX 4050, and 144Hz display, is the value pick. What to expect of the gaming performance? 1080p high settings, smooth 60 to 100 FPS. Esports, Fortnite, Warzone, Apex, 100 plus FPS. AAA games, medium to high settings. Gaming on a budget is still very possible in 2026. You don't need to spend $1,500 plus to get smooth performance, fast load times, and solid graphics. There is several other options that you might like. Just make sure to have a good GPU RTX 3050 and better. At least 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, and 120Hz plus. Thank you for watching. I will put the links for all these in the description. And if this helped you, please consider subscribing.